5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So, in today's video, we have the Ipsy Plus for the month of January 2022. And this puppy is heavy. So, if you want to see what's inside, here are my thoughts and opinions, then just keep on watching. Alrighty, this came really late. This actually came yesterday. What is today? I don't even know what today's date is. Let's see. Today's Wednesday, January 19th when I'm filming. It is 12:35 in the afternoon, and then I have to go grocery shopping. So I want to hurry up and film this really quickly. I have no idea what's in here, to be honest with you. So where is my knife? I'm never prepared. Let me know how your guys' day is today. Let me know how you're feeling. Are you staying safe? Let me know. I put in my community tab, there is a link. I'll also leave it in the description box where you can get 4 COVID, like the rapid test at home, for free, where you can get them. So I'll leave it in the description box just in case you didn't see it on my community page. Okay. Holy cow. I mean, oh my God. This thing is filled. Okay, I don't even know. Okay, let me pull all this stuff out. did I get a card? Yes, I did. It's inside my bag. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like for the month of January. It's so cute with the little smiley face and the tie-dye. All right, so we have that. The theme is called Happy Vibes. Okay, and there's nothing on here, so I'm going to go into my account really quickly. I did do my, the Ipsy Glam bag, what I pay for. This is the one that I pay for as well, which I'm not sure if that's uploaded yet or edited or anything like that. If you don't know, I did have COVID on January 2nd. That's when I tested positive. I was in the hospital, all that stuff. I feel a lot better. So I'm very behind in videos, so I don't know like what's going to come first. You know what I mean? All right, let me go into my Ipsy account and see. All right, so I have my account right here with everything in there. So for the Ipsy Plus, you get 5 full-size items. Ipsy picks out 2 items that they think that you would enjoy or that you would like when they go by your profile, because when you sign up for Ipsy, of course you have to put like a little profile, right? And then you pick the other 3. All right, so let's start with the first thing they picked for me. So they picked out the Fenty Beauty. This is the highlighter in Hustler, baby. And I'm not sure if I have this or not. If I do, like, I haven't used it in well over a year. All right, so that's what she looks like. And then on the back, it says Hustler, baby. All right, so you get a nice mirror, and that's what she... Oh, is that Fingerprints? That looks like 2 fingerprints, don't it? I don't know. I don't know if I did it when I took off the, this. I could have... I don't know. But anyway, let me just go ahead and swatch it. It's a little gold for my liking. This would be good for, like, summer, though. So that's just going in one time. That's really nice. But probably if I took a bigger brush, I bet you I can get it to match my skin color, you know? Like go in very light-handed. Today I have on, in my BoxyCharm Premium, I got a highlighter from Cover FX. And I have that on today. I really like it. I love highlighters so much. Okay, so we have that. That's the first thing they picked for me. They also picked this Lauren Conrad lipstick in the shade Shell. Now, I got Maya in the one that's gifted to me, and I actually have that on today. I really like it. So, I'm glad to get another one. That's what it looks like. Oh my God, it's so pretty. I actually like this one better because it's a little bit darker. I would have put this on today. And there we go. Really nice. All right. So those are the 2 things they picked for me. Okay, I know for a fact I picked this bronzer. Anytime I see bronzer, I pick bronzer. So this is the Real Her You Are Golden. And what shade are you? Let me see. Oh, that's the shade. It is You Are Golden. Okay. The only thing I've tried from Real Her are the liquid lipsticks, and they're all right, and the eyeshadow palettes. Do you know what? I'm not even telling you prices. Let me go in and tell you the prices really quickly. So the highlighter is $36. That's a lot. The lipstick is $20. That's not too bad. That's like average, you know. This highlighter right here is $30. That's expensive for these brands, you know. I just been having trouble lately with opening the packages. It's like I gotta rip them. Ooh, the packaging's nice. Now, that was my fingerprints that I just did. And it says, You Are Golden. Oh, that's nice. So you have a nice full-size mirror, and there we go. Feels really nice. Oh, that's pretty. Let's just go in one time. That'll definitely give me some warmth. I like that a lot. I really like that. $30 though. I don't know, but it's nice. Okay, I picked this Galactic. This is a metallic eye sparkle in the shade Chic. And this is $20 too. Now, I don't tend to go for like single things like this, except for like the Stila. Remember the Stila glitter? Oh my God, I was like obsessed with it. So let's see what it looks like. All right, so that's the applicator. Oh, that's pretty though. That's really pretty. It's nice and opaque, you know? Right there. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Now, see, I might use this. Definitely. Wow, that's pretty. This is a really good bag this month. And then I picked, it's the bath bomb. It has CBD in it, and it's called Happy Dance. It has 60 milligrams CBD. And I like this type of stuff like when my lower back is hurting. I was in a car accident a long time ago in 2005. And it was pretty bad. I really damaged my lower back and stuff. So when I'm in pain, I like soaking in the bath. And there wasn't a lot to pick from. So that's what it looks like. And actually, like, you can break it up and use this 4 times. You know, you don't have to put this whole big thing in there. I don't know. But it's weird that they would have a bath bomb in here. Don't you think that's weird in like an Ipsy? Because like I said, there wasn't much to choose from. All right, let's see how much that puppy is. Okay, so this is $15. Not too bad. All right, so let's recap what I got, and then I'll show you like the other stuff that came in the bag. And of course, I got me some more candles because last month I did an add-on for the candle. And remember, I like reviewed it. I tried it. Oh my God, it smelled so good. So I got a couple more I'm going to show you. But let's recap everything that I got in my bag for November. So I got this lipstick, which is just gorgeous. I got the Galactic eyeshadow right here. That really is beautiful. I got the, what do you call this? Bronzer right here. I got the CBD bath bomb. And then the highlighter. The Fenty Highlighter. So overall, I think this was a great box. I mean, a bag this month. What is this, $28? And I mean, right here, this is almost $40 right here. 36, 30 right there is like almost 80 bucks. You know what I'm saying? So I'm really happy with it. If I had to rate it between a 1 and a 5, 1 I'm throwing in the trash, and 5 like I'm doing cartwheels, you know, I'm all excited. I'd probably put this maybe a 3.5 to a 4. I like everything in here. I really have nothing to complain. You know, normally I would say, oh my God, a bath bomb and an Ipsy, but because it has CBD and it would help, you know, like I'll use it, and I'm not mad at it. Do you know what I'm saying? Because the other stuff was really, really good. All right, so let me show you these candles. I believe I picked 2. These were add-ons. Let me see how much I paid for them. I don't remember. It says retail value $42. I would never pay $42 for these. Never. Because even though they smell good, I only tried the one. Where is it? It's right here. Oh my God, this is the cedar one. Oh, it smells amazing. the Bath and Body Works are a lot better, you know what I mean? And they're not $42. So I would never pay that, but I think I got it for either like $12 or $18, $20. I can't remember. But I got this is the one, it says it's a vibe candle in Berry Bouquet. So let's see what this one smells like. Okay, so all of them must come in this holographic packaging. And this smells all right. And they're the one wick candle. And it's up to the top. It doesn't smell, the scent isn't as good as this cedar one. Like, it's not as strong. But you can still smell it, you know? So I got that one. And it's weird. This one came in the refreshments bag. Because if you don't know, Ipsy has a refreshments. And you can get like a monthly candle. For like, I think it's like $23 a month or something like that. I can't believe they're saying these are retail value for $42. No way. Okay, and this was in Citrus Spritz. And I hope it smells like lemon. I love the smell of lemon. Okay, again, same packaging, same, like, you know, color and stuff. Now, this doesn't smell like lemon. Oh, yeah, it does. I can smell lemon, but very faint. It says this is a slow burn, about 50 plus hours, long-lasting fragrance, lead-free cotton wick. I can tell you from the other one, like, but I only had that burning for like maybe 3 hours, and then I haven't used it again because I got sick, right? So I don't know exactly how long it lasts, but these two do smell good. Like I said, the first one, that cedar one, oh my God, it smells amazing. So I'm glad to get 2 more candles. I don't think I'll get any more. I just wanted to see like if they smell as good as that first one. Do you know what I'm saying? So I won't get any more, but I'm happy with what I got, if that makes any kind of sense. Do you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so let me know what you think. Let me know if you have tried their candles. Let me know what you think of it. And that's everything, guys. Please like this video. It really does help me out. If you don't like it, dislike it. That helps me out as well. Also, if you can, please comment. Commenting helps me out too. It helps with the engagement. Let me know how your day is going. Let me know what you think of the Ipsy. Let me know if you tried the candles, you know. Leave an emoji. All that helps me. And yeah, that's everything, guys. I don't have anything else to say. All right, guys, stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always, no matter what, always stay you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. All right, that was a really good bag this month. See, this is when it's like, oh, I don't want to cancel, you know? And the next month it'll be a miss, and I'll be pissed off again. No, but this was a really good thing. All right, now I got to go food shopping.